What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to enable your clipboard history on Windows 11, which will enable you to save multiple items to your clipboard. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. Here, under System, scroll down and select Clipboard. The first option will allow you to enable the Clipboard History option. You can now copy some text or a file, and when pressing the Windows key and V shortcut, you can view your clipboard history and paste from there. On this panel, you can also find other neat features such as symbols, punctuation, emojis and GIFs. I hope this helped you out, leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.